Welcome to another GlowShift gauges installation video. When you're ready, grab your tools and we'll meet you in the garage. First, remove your Powerstroke's engine cover using a 14mm socket or wrench. After the cover has been removed, locate the ICP sensor and unplug the harness. Next, connect the HPOP harness. Run the wires from your HPOP gauge to the HPOP harness. Use a butt connector and a wire crimper to crimp the green harness wire to the green gauge wire. Using the other butt connector, repeat this step and crimp the black harness wire to the black gauge wire. Use a zip tie to secure the wires to ensure they are clear of moving parts. Once the wires have been secured, reinstall the engine cover. You've now successfully installed your HPOP harness into your Ford Super Duty Powerstroke. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please contact us at 1-888-GS-GAUGE, and we'll see you on the road.